So here I have a small composition for players' intros. So basically the players' intros are going to be just some overlay elements that you can use on top of your footage. So for example, if I go to my player info overlay folder, here you can see in the render you will have the left overlay and the right overlay. So let's see, if I select my left overlay and scrub the timeline a bit, you can see it transitions like this, and then you will just need to access your holders and go for your info bracket, for example, and here you will have the left and right. So since this is the right bracket, you will have to edit the right version, and here you can just erase the text and put whatever information you want. And the same for logo, right logo, change this, also add the text if you need. And the name, you can also change it like so, and the same will be for your left overlay. Oh, no, sorry, this was the left overlay. So for the right overlay, you can see I'm just gonna delete the left one. So it works in exactly the same fashion. You just make sure you have the right holders selected when you edit the information there. So this is going to be the player info overlay. So now let's go to player introduction. So now if I drop my player intro render on top of the footage, here you can see it transitioning. And then you can go in your holders and you can change the image for the player, info bracket, the logo, which is gonna be this one right here. So right over here, and the name, and also the theme. So you can add a theme with the logo, and this is gonna showcase here in the background, just very slightly opaque. And let's see what else. Oh, also for this, if you select your player intro, if you double click this composition, then you can access the colors and you can change the primary. So this will change the background color, as you can see, and the secondary will be the flare, and you can also change that. So here you can see it. You can also change the flare. So moving back to my original comp, I will delete the player intro, and let's go over versus players. So if I drop this, it's gonna be the same thing. So if I double click this, then you can access the colors. So the same the colors apply for the primary, secondary. The only thing different is this version has the plates. So you can change the colors for the text plates, as you can see. And I will delete this. And for versus player footage, this isn't overlayable. You will just have to double click this, and you can see the footage already needs to be there, and the overlay happens on top of the footage. So this is how it looks like, and then you can change your footage here from left and right. Oh, sorry, this misplaced this. So I have to rename this to text and the other one to footage. But anyway, this is just replace the text and then replace the footage, and it should work just fine. So that's about it for player intros.